CNN Breaking News with Ashley Anderson. The Seveso disaster was a chemical accident that caused an explosion within the plant that led to dioxin being released in the air. The accident was caused because of the overheated steam. Steam was used for the distillation to prevent process temperature from rising. Dioxin is a very toxic chemical and have no common uses. This chemical is manufactured on a small scale for chemical and toxicological research, but mostly exists as byproducts of industrial process, such as bleaching, paper pulp, pesticide manufacture, and combustion processes. Ultimately, the operations of the system were at fault. Due to certain laws of the state, operations of the factory had to shut down for the weekend. The factory, though, doesn't shut down as a whole, but in different sections. So, this happening, it caused the turbines to drop and caused the temperature to increase. No one in Seveso actually died from this accident, but there was about 37,000 people believed to be exposed to the chemical, and about 4% of the farm animals actually did die from this. Roughly 80,000 animals were killed in order to prevent contamination from filtering up the food chain. Long-term effects of this chemical includes bad liver functions, immune functions, neurological impairment, reproductive effects, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. This accident could have been prevented. First, with the design of the reactor and ensuring a proper containment system is present in case of an unwanted release. Proper hazard evaluation was not originally completed, otherwise, the hazards could have been identified and corrected before the release occurred. Dioxin can also be called polychlorinated dibenzodioxin. In this group of aromatic hydrocarbon compounds are known to be environmental pollutants that are generated as undesirable byproducts in the manufacture of herbicides, disinfectants, and other agents. The family of dioxins is characterized chemically by the presence of two benzene rings connected by a pair of oxygen atoms. Each of the 8 carbon atoms on the ring that are not bonded to oxygen can bind with hydrogen atoms or atoms of other elements. By convention, these positions are assigned the numbers 1 through 4 and 6 through 9. The more toxic dioxin carry chlorine atoms at these positions, and the best known one has chlorine atoms at the 2, 3, 7, and 8 positions. The chemical is virtually insoluble in water and in most organic compounds, but is soluble in oils. It is this combination of properties that allow this dioxin in soil to resist dilution with rainwater and causes it to seek and enter fatty tissue in the body if it is absorbed.